Lot F149 is a 1962 Chevrolet pickup truck with a 350 cubic inch V8 engine, an automatic transmission, and vintage air conditioning. And it sold for $44,000 on Friday, June 5th. And I'll read from the Mecum website. Highlights are 350 cubic inch V8 engine, automatic transmission, vintage air conditioning, power steering, power front disc brakes, bucket seats with console, oak wood bed, dolphin gauges, and 1977 Chevrolet front suspension. And this one was a good looker. Had the updated engine with the 350 cubic inch V8. Didn't mention the transmission, but it probably has a turbo 350, I would guess, to go with the 350 engine. And it had an updated interior with some newer seats and a center console. It gave it a newer look. And it's got a good look to it with the short box. And it has newer wheels on it. And the wheels are the easiest thing to change. So if you don't like the wheels, you can always buy some different ones. Thanks again for watching. I appreciate it. And by the way, here's a couple of videos of the 700 plus videos that I have on my channel, Car Finder. This will take you over to my page, and you can take a look at any of the videos that are there that look good to you. But thanks again for watching, and we'll see you on the next one.